Hello everyone, Selena here. How are you doing? I'm sure you're busy practicing for your JLPT N4 exam. Last time we did N4 Dai-Ikkai, and now we're going to do Dai-Nikai, as you could see here. And we're going to deal with language knowledge first, and that include Moji and Goi. So we're going to do kanji practice reading and vocabulary. So this is a practice test. So please stay tuned. With no further ado, let's start. Okay, let's start. Let me read the instruction. 問題1。火星の言葉はひらがなでどう書きますか？ 1、2、3、4から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。Example. 今日は underline です。So what is the reading of this kanji? Choices are 土曜日、東曜日、土曜日、土曜日. Which one is the right one? We have it here. 3番ですね. So it is read as 土曜日. Okay, let's start with number 1. Underlined. がとても痛いです。1、頭。2、首。3、足。4、指。Okay, the answer is 4番ですね。指。Fingers. So, my fingers hurt. Okay, or it could be only one finger. My finger hurts. Okay. These are all parts of the body. Atama, head, kubi, neck, ashi, feet, or leg. 2番。もう underlined. 決めました。1、2、止めました。3、やめました。4、閉めました。These are all in past tense. Okay, the answer is 1番。もう決めました。I already decided. When you use も means already. 決めました。The dictionary form is 決める, which means to decide. 2 is 止める, means to stop. やめる means to quit. And 4番、閉める to close. Okay, did you get it? So I'm also telling you the grammar points. So here we have past tense. 3番、underlined 学校が休みです。Choices are 1、再来